On this video, we're going to chuck Norris the factory fuel tank and the fuel lines on the Project Nova. Alright, it's super simple. There's the factory feed from the carburetor setup. I'm going to attempt to unhook that and catch the fuel in some Tupperware, so wish me luck. And then here's what I think ran off to some sort of emission setup. Maybe this is a vent. I'm not sure. Someone knows. Maybe someone in California knows. And this looks like they capped. So I have no idea. But anyways, after that it's pretty simple. There's a ground way up there. Right there. So let's take that off and then we'll be able to take the tank out. Rest in my mouth. Great. You know what? I'm gonna cut these. These things are way too hard. I'll be back with a razor blade. Hey, no gas. Alright, fantastic. So there's that. Now I'll do the one for I guess this is a breather? I don't know. This one might have some leakage. Alright, good deal. Nothing. Did they seriously? Dude, check this out. They seriously just wrapped a bolt around this, like, here you go. This will ground out the sending unit just fine. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna loosen these two back bolts. See what happens. We might be in for a treat. This this metal tube is one piece on the factory tank. So I might have to take off the gas cap. This rear setup has air shocks, so I'll have to make sure I have to snag this air line as we're coming down with it. So I think it's at 9/16. It looks like that's holding that up. Money. Setting 3. Okay. I don't know if I'll need this hardware or not. I'm going to be running the Tanks Inc setup. Spacer. Slow and steady wins the race. Oh, we're about to lose it. What is going on that side? What is... This is no longer your home. I want to try to leave this even so I don't lose a bunch of gas. Even though there's not much in the tank. Right. Move that out of the way so we don't hit it. What is this thing holding up on? Hey, there we go. Up in here is the sending unit wire, it looks like. Got it. Factory gas tank is out. It's not bad. If anyone's needing a 68 to 72 Nova gas tank with a good sending unit, send them my way. So I think this fuel line on the right was some sort of emission. It comes from the tank all the way up, and then on mine, it just hung out right here. Like, this is where it went. This was its home. So, gonna get rid of that. That whole line will be gone. Went ahead and took that emission slash vent line out, whatever that was. So I was down here redoing some of the rear brake line setup since I took that line off the driver's side, and I scan over here. And what do I see? Yep, that's supposed to be a body bushing. It's basically, the bottom section is gone. Awesome, super. Whew, what a day. We took out the fuel tank, we took out the driver's side fuel line. We're getting closer and closer and closer. It's almost time to put the Tanks Inc setup in. I'll go over that on the next video. And, oh man, I got some grease on my lens. Thanks for hanging out. I'm T-Brand. We'll see you on the next one.